Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial is gonna be about Blender. Blender is a free 3D software. You can create with it any 3D model you want. From starting with a cube, then you can create anything. But today I'm gonna show you how to create the basics. But before that, this is a playlist, so we're gonna start with the basics. How to move, how to scale, how to rotate, and the outline, and see how you can use these, and then go step by step. You're not gonna create now this picture that you see in here. We are gonna go step by step. Then we are gonna stop in creating the polythene and creating. Then we're gonna start creating assets and creating things. Then we are gonna show you. First thing you need to go to in here this website, the blender.org/download. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description. If you have Windows just like me, you just need to choose in here Windows installer. Just select installer. If you want another one, just choose it. Maybe it's gonna be in there. Then you just need to select download Blender. Then in the downloads, you just need to select it and keep clicking next and doing all of your things. Then there you go. So first, what you're gonna see is just this normal thing in here, and you can see just a cube. You have a cube, and the thing that people don't know just more. You can just select this and move it, but you cannot just do it. To just do it, you need to select this thing or this thing, but then we're gonna go in there.